What's up, YouTube? Got another Zippo video to show you. I finally got my new 1941 brass Zippo that I was telling you guys about. I told you guys that I would do an unpackaging video, but there was some personal information on the package, so I decided not to do that. But I got it just probably 3 or 4 days ago, actually. I've been using it, but it's brand new. But anyways, it only took a week and a day to get here. Like I said, it was only $18.95 from usalighters.com. So I'll show you a little bit about that. But I'll have to make a two-part video because my camera doesn't have a whole lot of video memory to it. So this will be part one of the new Zippo video. So I'll start with the package right now. It comes in this white sleeve, and on the sleeve it says 1941 brass vintage lighter. So guess that's just there for protective purposes. But anyways, it comes in this cool little box, and the top is gray and the back is, black, like the other Zippo lighter boxes. And the cool thing about this one is it's got a vintage looking picture on the front of a skyscraper, and it says a week's trial, then all the while. I'm not really sure what they're talking about. They may be talking about Zippo company in general, I'm not sure. But anyways, I'll take it out for you so you can see it. Comes with the guarantee, of course, all Zippos do. And comes with this little care of your Zippo brass lighter. I'm sure all of you that have brass Zippos have already seen this before. Just talks about how to clean it. Talks about the protective coating that comes on it to prevent it from tarnishing before you use it. Just little messages and stuff like that. Then you got the inside of the box, and it just tells you some features of the lighter, like the flat plain case, less rounded edges, distinctive corners on the lid, 4-barrel hinge, replica inside unit, just a few things like that. So put that away. And here it is, the brand new 1941 brass Zippo. I got it custom engraved, both sides, with an old English font, like the other two that I bought. I had to pay for each line that I got engraved, so it was a total of $52. The lighter itself, the engraving, and shipping and handling. But it was well worth the money. But anyways, this is brand new, of course, so everything works on it. All the features are pretty distinct, and they really pop on this model. I don't know if I guys told you. Actually, I know for a fact I did, because that's one of the reasons I bought this lighter. the last one that I bought, the case didn't go, the top lid didn't go all the way down like it was supposed to. So I don't have that problem anymore. And like the last slider I had, the top lid swayed a little bit. This one's nice and tight and it's pretty snug, so I'm pretty satisfied with it. It's everything that I needed it to be. Right now it has that brass protective coating on it, so it's a little bit shinier than most brass Zippos that you see, but I'm pretty sure they probably put that protective coating on all the other brass Zippos that you buy from them, so you probably have seen it before. Like I said, I've used this one for a few days, and I accidentally made a mistake by putting it in my pocket while I had a knife in my pocket, and I got a little scratch right here. It didn't hurt it, but it did take some of the protective coating off. So if you guys are seeing that, that's why this lighter was flawless when I got it out of the package, and it still is. Yeah, everything is nice on this one, and I can talk a little bit about the engravings now if I have time. I have a little over 2 minutes left on the camera. The first thing that I wanted to put on this lighter was 1941 brass on the top lid. It was pretty important for me to put that on the top lid because this is in fact my favorite Zippo lighter I've ever owned. So I wanted to show that off. So I put that on the top, and of course, the big patriot that I am, I had to put USA right here on the bottom. And they did a beautiful, beautiful job with this. The engraving, I mean, absolutely flawless. Every font size that I can think of that I actually wanted to be placed on this lighter, they actually did it for me, and that was, I didn't have to tell them about that at all. They just did that themselves. So they did an excellent job. I also got my name put on here again. This time I put Ryan A. That's the initial of my middle name, and my birth year, 1993 again. And on the back I have Lucky engraved, just to show off the Lucky lighter part about this. Not quite sure how to word that, but this is my Lucky lighter, so I wanted to put Lucky on there, and I put my grandpa's initials and his nickname. And I'll talk more about that in part 2 of this video. I actually talk a lot more about it. I'm just going over a brief review right quick, and I'll get started on that part 2.